This is building the tools, and this is the second part in the Pliers series. Pliers Part B, and in this part we're going to be looking at the diagonal pliers, the pincer pliers, and the bent nose pliers. The diagonal plier. The diagonal plier, also known as wire cutters and diagonal cutting pliers, are pliers intended to cut wire and not for grabbing or turning. The diagonal portion of the pliers helps to cut through wire easier than other pliers. The pincer plier. The pincer pliers are pliers used for pinching, cutting, and pulling objects. These pliers are good with removing nails and even hoofs used on horses. The bent nose plier. The bent nose plier, part of the needle nose family, have a bent or curved beak to them for easier access into hard to reach areas, and they work the same way as the needle nose. These pliers are used by artisans, electricians, jewelry makers, and tradesmen. This concludes Pliers Part B.